Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have a brand new Maytag washing machine in the laundry room. And what we're going to do today is hook this thing up. Now this particular unit did come with a drain hose right here that will be attached to the back of the unit, but you'll also need some inlet hoses for the water supply, and I already have them because I removed an old washing machine and I'm just installing a new one, and the hoses are just fine. I kind of have them in a bucket right there, but I have hot and cold. If you don't have these, you'll need to purchase these at your hardware store and get these installed. Okay, so we need to attach the drain hose to the washer. And this is the drain port right here. In this case, we have this little red plug here that kind of holds things, kind of blocks the port right here. And so we attach this end right here to this little port. But first we have to deal with this little clip. Now this clip may be on or off when you have the hose, but in this case it's on, and you could just use some pliers to kind of loosen it up and remove it. And this clip will kind of hold it tightly to the port there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of hold this clip right there, attach it over the port, kind of fit it in there. It'll fit there as far in as you can make it, like that. And it should be in there snugly, and hopefully there won't be any leaks. Make sure I get it in a proper location here. And there you go, now it's attached. Now again, I have existing inlet hoses here, the hot water, the cold water. These valves are off, so the water is not running. I currently have a towel down there. But if you need to install these, definitely make sure that the water is off. You might have just a little screw knob to turn off the water. Make sure it's off before you do this process. And then you just need to take one end of the hose and screw it on to your valve end on each hose. Now this is kind of nice because it's color coordinated. Red for hot, blue for cold. But your valves may not be coordinated like that, so make sure you know which is which. Because at the back of your washer, this is where the little inlet hoses will go. And in most modern washers, you'll have some kind of color coordination. Here it's red, here it's blue. This indicates hot, and this indicates cold. So make sure that the proper hose, the hot water will go here, cold water will go here. So first the hot water. Tighten it up a bit, and then the cold. And then you want to insert your drain hose here into the standpipe drain right there. Now if you don't have a standpipe, and maybe you have a utility sink right next to your washer, you would hook this over the edge of your utility sink. It does have a little screw hole here in this case. You can screw it in on the side so it doesn't move. I haven't really had any issues with these kind of kicking out of the way, especially when they're down this far. But especially in a utility sink, they might get knocked over, and you don't want them to fall out. You'll get a bunch of water on the floor. So just make sure that this hose is secure into whatever outfall you have. So next I'm just going to turn on the water valves here and then look for leaks. You'll hear it, the water kind of go through the hoses here. And then just plug it in. And then just turn your new washer on. And there you go. That is how you hook up a new washer. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.